Welcome to Fernandez Timber Craft, where craftsmanship meets innovation. Introducing the castle joint coffee table, the four sides of the wooden outer frame come together using notched lap joints, precision cut for a snug fit. The wooden outer frame seamlessly locks into the castle joint legs. This unique interlocking system ensures rock-solid stability without a single screw or bolt. Unlike traditional furniture that requires complicated assembly, this table is designed for ease. No tools, no screws, no frustration. This table redefines convenience with its precision-engineered design. Whether you're moving, redecorating, or setting up in minutes, this table is built for simplicity and strength. Fernandez Timber Craft, timeless design, built to last. Crafted with precision, engineered for beauty, designed for simplicity.